Hi everybody and welcome back to Derek Callan. I'm Derek and I'm here with another short lesson for you busy people out there. In this lesson, we're going to have a look at some different ways of asking, how are you? Are you ready? Here we go. So let's have a look at this. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. How are you? Does it look familiar? I'm sure you've heard it 1,000 times. It's absolutely fine and we use it every day, but it is a good idea to have some alternatives, to have some other ways of saying how are you. Because when we always use the same expressions, it can be a little bit repetitive and maybe even a little bit boring. So let's have a look at 3 different ways of asking how are you. The first one is, how's it going? Repeat after me. How's it going? Now, the second one is, how are things? Repeat after me. How are things? And number 3 is, how are you doing? Repeat after me. How are you doing? Now, these 3 phrases are quite informal, so it's best to use them with someone you already know. Let's have a look at them again, and this time we'll also look at some common responses. So, other ways of saying, I'm fine, how are you? Okay? Here comes the first one again. How's it going? Not bad. And yourself? How's it going? Very well, thanks. How about you? How are things? Pretty good. And you? How are things? Great, thanks. How about yourself? How are you doing? I'm good, thanks. How about you? How are you doing? Can't complain. And you? So let's look at all those examples again, and this time I want you to try and practice with me. Are you ready? Here we go. So we'll do 2 rounds. In the first round, I start and you respond. Let's try it. Here comes the first example. How's it going? How's it going? How are things? How are things? How are you doing? How are you doing? Great. Now we'll do the second round. This time you start and I'll respond. Are you ready? Let's try it. Not bad. And yourself? Very well, thanks. How about you? Pretty good. And you? Great, thanks. How about yourself? I'm good, thanks. How about you? Can't complain. And you? So that brings us to the end of another lesson. I hope you enjoyed practicing with me, and I hope you get the chance to use some of those alternatives to how are you soon. Try it out in your next conversation. Why not? If you enjoyed this lesson, press the like button and don't forget to share with your friends and colleagues. Leave me a comment, and if you haven't subscribed, do that now so you don't miss the next short lesson for busy people. Find out more about me at my website derekcallan.com. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.